Good guys, it's boy Brian Sinkow Sab, and we are about to install hydro e-brake today, and we might go blow up the Cadillac. We might as well just send it. Ooh, baby. This is the hydro e-brake from Chase Bays. Comes with their brake line kit. And the hydro e-brake. We about to get it on. Alright guys, so we kind of have it laid out for you guys. This part goes to the master cylinder that runs into the hydro e-brake. Other line goes all the way back to the brakes. Honestly, I might have these two switched around and we'll get back to you on that. But this is for the inline kit. This is not for dual rear caliber. This isn't going to be like my full-blown drift car yet. If it does, we'll end up doing the rear or the two rear caliber, but for now we're just gonna do the inline kit. Let's get started. All right, so we're gonna put the hydro right here. We're gonna cut out this little plastic piece. We're still gonna put that on, but we're still gonna have to cut a little bit of it. This time we got hooked up with a different hydro. I can't complain because I got a good deal on it, but before we could put this piston, the cylinder, master cylinder, and we could tuck it in there so we could just have it pulled back and still have all the interior pieces not cut, just a little hole over there. But if you guys watch Adam LZ's video, he shows that. But we're just going to be mounting it right here for now because I'm going to go with a different interior later. That's a surprise, so it doesn't matter if I cut all this stuff up. But we'll clean it up later once we go get the actual correct hydro and I do my dual rear caliber, once I decide to make this thing full-blown drift car. But for right now, I'm just trying to make it a little street car because the car still looks nice. Alright guys, so since I wasn't sure about it before, I figured out how it goes. So this one goes to your rear brakes, and this one comes from your master cylinder from your car. So we're about to install that and hook it up real quick. Also replacing valve covers that I painted. Had some pink ones in there before, but it was leaking, so I put in purple ones. We already have one side done. I'll put a time lapse on the rest. So we got the hydro in there. It's nice and secure. Sorry, alright, let that adjust there. We use this bolt. We have a little mount under there and we have a mount under here. This is just temporary, remember. We're gonna go with, if I wanted to adjust, there you go. We'll have a total new setup here in a few months, but I just wanted to hydro real quick. So I'm gonna have to cut part of this. Probably gonna have to cut a little bit into this. I like the Savage sticker, but looks like it has to go a little bit. So I'm probably gonna cut along the outside. Like I said, later on I'm gonna have new interior, so I guess this really doesn't matter for right now. So let's do a time lapse on me cutting this. Alright guys, so I'll show you guys on the top later, but we made the wire go through the shifter tunnel from back here. And it's gonna tee off to the brakes. You have to take off this bolt right here. You can see that bolt right there, and replace it with the new line. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Alright, so now we got the lines in. See them up there. And we have everything all zipped. That brake line you guys see, we actually ended up relocating that behind the fuel tank shield, just because I didn't like how it looked and it was exposed. Tied down, nothing's gonna rub. My car is pretty far off the ground, so I'm not too worried about it. Alright guys, last but not least, hold on Cody, hold on. Last but not least, you tap the two cables they come with into the back left, back right, and that tees off to the back. I'm not showing you guys complete details just because you guys might have a different kit. But everything is good to go. We bled the whole system. Like I said a million times, it's temporary. Don't hose me for it. To bleed it, the person under is to open up the valve. He presses the foot brake and then the hand brake. It'll shoot fluid everywhere. You seal it up. You let him let go of everything, and you repeat that about 3 times, and it's good to go. So that's how you install a hydro and the cables. Not able to see the valve covers too much, but they're in there. They look dope. Yeah, that's about it for today.
What are you about to do, Brian?
I told you I was gonna send it.
Gonna send it?
It was all good until, if you look closely, white smoke came pouring out of my exhaust.
Bad?
I told you guys I'd send it, and I blew up the motor. So that's the end of the V for now. I did it. At that moment, I realized that I had to push my car all the way back to the shop. Me.